Hey, we're at Austin Street Truck Stop, right next to East Side Draft House, which is Denton's #1 poppin' food truck park. It's about 8:30. We close at 2 a.m. Come out here. We got Dumpling Bros, Pickle Carrot, Gucci's Barbecue, Big Knife Tacos, prime from scratch, even a Java Rocket. It's called Java Rocket. My bad. I didn't want to get that wrong. So come on out. Here's a beautiful crowd. The Bearded Lady is open. Full business. They're cutting hair inside there, if anyone wondered that. And we got our crew in here working. Jacob. Got James and Cameron. Come on out. This place is bumping. 208 North Austin Street, Denton, Texas. We're open till 2 a.m. and then tomorrow, Saturday, we're open from 1 p.m. all the way to 2 a.m. So come on out, get you some fresh, hand-rolled, authentic Korean pan-fried dumplings and our Korean street tacos, vegetable fried rice, and much more. Located right behind the Bearded Monk. Come on out. It's a great Friday. We'll see you soon.